In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an email subject line quickly and easily. If you're managing a WordPress site with WooCommerce and you want to customize your email communications, you've come to the right place. We're going to walk you through the process step by step. First, let's head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your site. Once you're in, simply look for the WooCommerce tab. It's typically located on the left sidebar. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a multitude of options related to your online store. Next, you'll want to look for the Settings option within WooCommerce. It's a place where you can find all the necessary configurations for your online business. Clicking on Settings will present you with various tabs, each with specific options that can be tailored to suit your store's needs. Now, within the settings, you'll see a tab labeled Emails. Click on that. This section is specifically designed for handling all email-related settings. You'll find templates and options for the different types of notifications your store sends out, everything from customer updates to order confirmations. Once you're in the Emails section, you'll see a list of all email templates that WooCommerce uses. Scroll through and locate the specific email whose subject line you wish to change. Let's say you want to change the new order notification email. Find that, and then click on the Manage button right next to it. By selecting Manage, you'll be taken to a new page that allows you to configure various aspects of that particular email. Here, look for the subject line field. It's usually the first thing you see. What you want to do is click on Subject to access the current setup. This is where the magic happens, and you can swap out the default subject line that WooCommerce provides. Now comes the fun part. Replace the existing text with your desired subject line. Be creative, and make it sound as engaging and relevant as possible for your customers. This is your chance to personalize your communication and make a great first impression with every email you send out. And that's it. You've now successfully updated your email subject line. Make sure to save your changes before exiting so they apply to future emails. Changing your email subject lines is a simple yet effective way to enhance customer engagement and ensure your business communications reflect your brand's personality. Thanks for tuning in, and happy customizing.